Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download MX application on your iPhone. The American Express mobile application is available in the App Store for iPhone and iPad. So in order to get the application downloaded on your iPhone, go ahead and open your App Store. Now, once you end up in the search box, type in MX, and then once you make a search for it, look for this application from American Express, which should look like this, and now tap on the Get button. Once the application is downloaded, the application will allow you to access your account from anywhere, track spending and rewards, find offers, review your balance, pay your bills, and much more. So that is how you can easily get the American Express application downloaded on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.